Looking for a battery terminal that delivers a high power connection and stands up to tough conditions? These platinum-plated battery terminals offer just that, combining durability with superior conductivity to keep your vehicle running smoothly. What sets these terminals apart is their crystal-clear acrylic cover, designed to shield the connection from environmental damage. Whether it's moisture, dirt, or corrosion, this protective layer keeps your battery terminals safe and reliable over time. Installation is a breeze. You won't need extra tools or complicated steps, just a quick setup and you're ready to go. This ease of use saves time and hassle, making it a smart choice for both professionals and DIYers. Customers across the United States have given these terminals top reviews. Many highlight the exceptional quality and fit, especially when used with red-top batteries. One user even mentioned buying them at a discount due to supposed blemishes, but received flawless products that worked exactly as expected. If you value both performance and peace of mind, these terminals are worth a look. The platinum plating ensures a strong connection, while the acrylic cover guards against damage, extending the life of your battery setup. For anyone who needs reliable battery terminals without the premium price tag, this product strikes the perfect balance. It's a solid upgrade that enhances your vehicle's electrical system without complicating installation. If that's you, consider making the switch to these platinum-plated battery terminals. They deliver dependable power, protect your battery, and come highly recommended by users who've tested them firsthand. Try them when you're ready and experience the difference a quality battery terminal can make. With proven durability and easy installation, these terminals offer real value for your investment.